Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to DU Studio. Are you dreaming of a retreat that blends sleek modernity with the cozy charm of the Nordic spirit? In today's video, we're taking you on an inspiring journey through the world of modern Scandinavian cabin design. We'll explore the key principles, the stunning aesthetics, and the clever details that make these spaces the epitome of comfortable and stylish living. So, grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the beauty of modern Scandinavian cabin design. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more design inspiration from DU Studio. Let's get started. At the heart of modern Scandinavian cabin design lies a profound appreciation for beauty in simplicity. It's about stripping away the unnecessary, focusing on clean lines, and celebrating the inherent elegance of natural materials like wood, stone, and wool. And how could we talk about Scandinavian design without acknowledging the breathtaking landscapes that inspire it? This is a region of dramatic contrasts and unparalleled natural beauty. From the tranquil stillness of snow-dusted forests to the vibrant energy of the summer coastlines, the environment plays a vital role in shaping the Scandinavian aesthetic. For the people here, the outdoors isn't just a backdrop, it's a way of life. There's a deep connection to the wilderness, a love for fresh air and open spaces. This inherent appreciation for nature is seamlessly woven into their design philosophy. The large windows you often see in Scandinavian cabins aren't just for aesthetics. They're intentional portals, inviting the beauty of the outside in and fostering a constant connection with the surrounding environment. It's about creating a harmonious balance between the warmth and comfort of the indoors and the invigorating allure of the wild. Now, let's step outside and explore the defining exterior elements of a modern Scandinavian cabin. You'll often notice a distinct emphasis on functionality and a harmonious integration with the surrounding environment. One of the first things you might observe is the clean and often simple roofline. Pitched roofs are common, expertly designed to shed snow efficiently in colder climates. The choice of materials is also crucial, with natural timber cladding being a hallmark. This not only provides a beautiful aesthetic, but also allows the cabin to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. You might see variations in the wood, from light, untreated pine to darker stained options, each offering a unique character. Thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces are also integral. Decks, balconies, or covered porches extend the living area and provide perfect spots to soak in the scenery. Enjoy a morning coffee or gather with loved ones. These spaces are often designed with the same principles of simplicity and natural materials as the cabin itself. Finally, you'll observe a distinct lack of ornate decoration. The beauty lies in the clean lines, the honest use of materials, and the well-proportioned geometric shapes. Durability and low maintenance are also key considerations, ensuring the cabin can withstand the elements while remaining a timeless and inviting retreat. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes understated elegance and a deep respect for the natural world. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice the emphasis on open and interconnected living spaces. This design philosophy fosters a sense of togetherness and allows natural light to flood the entire cabin. Walls are often minimized to create a fluid transition between the kitchen, dining area, and lounge. This open layout enhances the feeling of spaciousness, making even smaller cabins feel airy and expansive. It's all about creating a central hub where family and friends can gather and connect effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the front seating area, a space often strategically placed to maximize views and natural light. Imagine sinking into comfortable armchairs or a plush sofa. It's perfectly positioned to gaze out at the stunning landscape through expansive windows. These areas are designed for relaxation and contemplation. You'll often find natural textures like wool and linen, cozy throws, and perhaps a crackling fireplace, creating a warm and inviting ambience. The focus is on creating a tranquil haven, where you can unwind, read a book, or simply enjoy the beauty of the outdoors from the comfort of indoors. Moving into the heart of the cabin, the kitchen design in a modern Scandinavian cabin embraces simplicity and functionality above all else. You won't find elaborate ornamentation here. Instead, the focus is on clean lines, smart storage solutions, and durable natural materials. Cabinetry often features a minimalist, handleless design, contributing to the streamlined aesthetic. Colors tend to be neutral. Think crisp whites, soft grays, or the warm tones of natural wood. Countertops are typically kept clear and uncluttered, emphasizing the functionality of the workspace. Appliances are often integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry, further enhancing the clean and unified look. As we move into the bedroom of a modern Scandinavian cabin, you'll find that the emphasis on simplicity and natural comfort continues. These spaces are designed as tranquil retreats, promoting rest and relaxation. The overall atmosphere is one of calm and serenity. You'll typically see a simple bed frame, often made of wood, serving as the focal point. Decor is kept minimal and purposeful, perhaps with a few carefully chosen pieces of art or natural elements. Natural light is maximized through well-placed windows, often with simple coverings to maintain privacy while still allowing daylight to filter in. When it comes to bedding, comfort and natural materials are paramount. Think layers of soft linen, breathable cotton, and warm wool. Colors tend to be muted and earthy. Whites, creams, grays, and subtle natural tones, creating a soothing, and restful palette. You'll often see tactile textures that invite you to sink in and relax. Cozy throws draped across the bed, soft and supportive pillows, and perhaps a sheepskin rug underfoot add layers of warmth and texture, enhancing the feeling of hygge, that quintessential Scandinavian sense of coziness and well-being. Ultimately, the Scandinavian cabin bedroom is designed to be a peaceful sanctuary. It's a space where the simplicity of the design and the natural comfort of the bedding work together to create a restful and rejuvenating environment, perfectly complementing the connection with nature that defines the entire cabin experience. The bathrooms in this Scandinavian cabin design beautifully exemplifies the core principles of the style: natural materials, simplicity, functionality, and a strong connection to the outdoors. The most striking feature is the extensive use of light-toned wood. Freestanding bathtub that creates a warm, inviting, and organic atmosphere, seamlessly blending with the surrounding natural environment. The vertical wood paneling on the walls adds subtle texture and visual interest. The living room in a Scandinavian cabin is designed for relaxation and togetherness. Notice the abundance of natural light flooding the space. Large windows are key, often left bare to maximize the connection with the outdoors. The color palette is typically neutral, creating a calm and serene backdrop. Think whites, grays, and soft beiges, inspired by the Nordic landscape. Comfort is paramount. Seating is often plush and inviting, featuring natural materials like wool, linen, and sheepskin. Layering with soft throws and cushions in varying textures adds warmth and visual interest, encouraging you to sink in and unwind. The coffee table is usually low and made of natural wood, reinforcing the connection to nature. Decor is kept minimal and intentional. Perhaps a few candles, a stack of books, or a simple ceramic vase. The focus is on functionality and understated elegance. Beyond the main living area, you'll often find thoughtfully designed seating nooks. These cozy corners, often positioned to take advantage of natural light and views, offer intimate spaces for reading, reflection, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Comfortable armchairs upholstered in natural fabrics and a small side table for a warm drink are hallmarks of these spaces. Dining areas in Scandinavian cabins often flow seamlessly from the living space, fostering a sense of togetherness. The dining table is typically made of solid wood, emphasizing natural materials and durability. Chairs are comfortable and functional, often with clean lines and natural upholstery. A fireplace or wood-burning stove is often a central feature in a Scandinavian cabin living room. It's providing not only warmth, but also a focal point and a sense of hygge, that feeling of cozy contentment. The design is typically clean and simple, often clad in stone or left with its raw metal finish. So, there you have it. Scandinavian cabin are all about embracing natural materials, maximizing light, prioritizing comfort, and creating spaces that foster a sense of warmth and connection. What are your favorite elements of this cozy design style? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more design inspiration. See you next time.